Mapping personal data flow, an important aspect, because unless you know what personal data you have, how do you apply privacy principles or DPDP on it? Welcome to my YouTube channel where you regularly see new content on privacy and DPDP. We are going to talk about how should we manage the flow of personal data in an organization. Why does it matter? Very simple. You're talking of personal information, personal data. Until you are 100% sure where is it getting collected and where is it moving across the organization, how do you work on it? How do you protect it? Where would you apply role-based access and encryption? You need to know everything, right? And many organizations have these issues that they don't know everything. Some application would pop up, people will like it, people will start using it without realizing the back end of the application. Even if it's homegrown, it might need a lot more security than what currently is already there. And the assumptions of, oh wow, wonderful, very good application, solving a lot of my purposes. Good. What happens? They may not be solving the privacy principle purposes. So you need to understand what they are. Policies do get written, but there's no operational clarity on those policies. Risks hide inside the routine processes, and the data flow mapping is something that can help you bring all that to surface. This is it. Commonly, what do organizations do? How do they approach it? They assume that DPDP mapping requires complex tools, and therefore a lot of this gets missed out. They start with enterprise grade templates and then they fail that because it's difficult to fill what is not for you, right? They're enterprise grade. They try to document everything at once, all departments at once. That does not happen like that. You need to grow step by step. Now we have less time. You can say, any day if they say that this was to be done by November 26 and we are already on February 26. That also does not mean that all departments at once. Let's do it one by one. Look at one department where otherwise you would have luxuriously spent say a fortnight, now spend a week or maybe 3 days or 4 days and just do it. Start it immediately. But department wise, to give you comfort, to get learnings from the first lighter department that you can apply when you handle the larger ones. Involve too many stakeholders? No, please don't do that. Does not help. Knowledge about privacy, it's a new subject. You may not have many stakeholders who can contribute towards your implementation and mapping. So keep them updated, but does not mean that they are involved into day-to-day work. Focus on whatever is available with absolute clarity. Don't wait for perfect information to come at. Data flow mapping really means that you are identifying what data has been collected, understanding where is it stored so that you can apply the respective principles, knowing who all access it. So what do you say? Where is it stored? Is it encrypted? Is it protected in terms of redundant hardware? Knowing who all access it, if redundant hardware is not there, are you taking backups? Is everyone accessing that storage? Or are they divided into folders with role based access? See how it is shared both internally and externally. Is it as simple as putting a pen drive and copy pasting it? Or just attaching it as an attachment without encryption, without password protection, and without cross check of who are you sending that email to? Track how long it is retained and is it deleted or archived properly, non recoverable from deleted items. Start very simple and grow up. Start with one business process, like I said, one department earlier. Focus on personal data only and nothing else. That's what DPDP or personal information wants. Ignore any edge cases. Just look at the real core business first. Document the reality, right? And not the design, but the reality. This is what we collect. This is how we store it. This is how we use it. Use very plain language, no legal terms, and use one page is enough to begin. Again, different ways to say the same thing. Not all departments together. Focus on personal data only, on the real cases, not on the edge cases, edge in the sense which are mixed with the corporate data and which are not very critical, right? Focus on the critical areas first. One page is not enough. What you should not do, don't start with compliance templates. Look at your data first and build templates or sheets, spreadsheets, whatever you want to build according to what you have and you do. Don't try to cover all departments together. Don't wait for perfect information. Don't assume that IT knows everything. IT is good at implementing IT. IT is not, may not, depending on the organization, be well equipped with business decisions. Don't ignore any backups or any export dumps, and then please take care of them as well. Incremental, encrypted, and role-based access. And don't treat this as a one-time task. Privacy is a part of your day-to-day working, not one-off working. Key takeaways: data flow mapping is fundamental to DPDP. Clarity matters more than completeness. Simple mapping prevents future chaos. This enables lawful basis decisions as well as retention designs and helps you implement the DPDP principles. The route to start with is to know what do I have and how do I handle it, and then create or understand the gaps and start bridging that. I hope you like the content of the video. Please press the bell and the like icon, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share your feedback in the comment section. Thank you.